Hello, Chef here. Another recipe for you. I had a request from a friend. Seafood. What do we got here? Fresh swordfish steaks. The price, $6.99 a pound. Wow. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, big beautiful steaks. Now, the first thing I always do with fresh fish, I'm not too close to the ocean right now, so I smell it. Actually, before I even purchase it, I smell it. Next step, wash it off with cold water and dry it as well. I don't need all that moisture, and I want to know exactly what I'm starting with. Now, you should already know what the next step is. Look at the size of those masses.